In the 2005 National Electrical Code, or NEC, the provision for reducing the load calculation for 4 fastened in place appliances is found in section 220.55. The NEC does not provide a specific list of appliances that qualify for the 75% reduction. Instead, it refers to other appliances fastened in place for which the maximum demand is not greater than 1250 watts. To determine which appliances may be included in the reduction, consider the following. Firstly, the appliances must be permanently installed and incapable of being easily moved. Secondly, the appliance's maximum demand should not exceed 1250 watts. Check the appliance's nameplate or specifications to verify this. Common appliances that may qualify for the reduction include refrigerators, electric ranges, dishwashers, and microwave ovens. Up to 4 appliances may be included in the calculation reduction. However, the total connected load of these appliances should not exceed 5000 watts, which is 1250 watts times 4 appliances. For example, suppose you have a refrigerator at 1200 watts, an electric range at 3000 watts, a dishwasher at 1000 watts, and a microwave oven at 1200 watts. These appliances are all fastened in place and have maximum demands within the allowable limit. The total connected load is 1200 plus 3000 plus 1000 plus 1200, equaling 6400 watts. The reduced load is 6400 watts times 0.75, equaling 4800 watts. By using the 75% reduction for 4 fastened in place appliances, you can reduce the total load calculation by 1600 watts, which is 6400 watts minus 4800 watts. This reduction is applicable to the calculation of branch circuits and feeders, but not to the service entrance calculation.